Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm MJ, and today we are doing our update for Project Rolling 10 Pan and Fragrance Project Pan.
0, 1. Let's get started.
So we do have some progress finally in my eyeliner, not a lot, but some. So let's start with that. I've been getting a little bit more use. I've been putting them in my tight line now and on the corners. So we did move a smidge. So at least there's some progress on this guy. But I think, not sure if I'm gonna add eyeliners to my project pans next year because I just don't use enough of it. And it's just kind of a boring update for myself too. She moved a lot. So I definitely will continue to have lip liners in my project pans, but not eyeliners, I don't think. We'll see, we never know. Never say never. But she had some good movement. This one is getting to the point where I'm gonna have to put it into a container because not very much is coming out. So next update, this will be in a different container. I think I weighed this wrong last time. So it was probably 54.40 grams. But anyways, it is what it is. It's now 51.85 grams. So we lost some, about 2.15 grams. So that's good. And yeah. I either read it wrong or wrote it down wrong. Either way, 51.85 is its current weight. So, and there's not a lot of powder in here left. So we are getting through this baby. This one was a roll-in from last update. It weighed at 11.47. It went down to 11.37. So 0.1 gram of this eye primer since it got rolled in. And the lip gloss, it went down by 0.4. So it's not a lot, but still got some use. I mean, I only used it 8 times in April, or no, in May, this month, May, or the end of May, hello. But since April, I've used 0.4 in 8 uses, so not a lot, but still progress, and you can see it's starting to settle about here, where it was settling up around here last time, so we are making some progress. Now, I'm getting through my Nest Citrine. We are down to there, and this is at 10 uses, and I probably have at least 4 uses left. So we'll see how many uses we get when this is done. But yeah, still using this guy. The next one I go to, so in the next update I might be using this guy, and it's the Atelier Cologne Bois Blonde. But still using Citrine, and in the next update I'll let you know how many uses it took to get through this sample. So we'll put the other one on deck. And that is my short but sweet update for my rolling Project 10 pan, because the other items that I have in the 10 pan I haven't used yet. An eyeliner, my other lip liners, and my e.l.f. exfoliating. I've used it once. So hopefully I can use it again before the next update, at least once. And I may roll in other things for the rolling 10 pan because I've decided that I'm going to use the lip liner till it's done. So the other lip liner's not getting used yet. And the eyeliner is a boring update, but I'll keep it in for this, the rest of this year for this update, for this project. But next year, I don't think I'm going to have any eyeliners in for my projects. And then I may roll in some other things in the next update, I'll see. So we shall see in the next update what I do. But if you want to see what I do, then hit that subscription bar and the notification bell so you can find out what I decide to roll in for those items that I just haven't been using at all. So might as well not be in this project. So anyway, I will see you in the next one. Bye for now, loves.